Vee Technologies' brushless DC electric motors offer advanced technology with high efficiency, increased power output, and reduced energy input. Vee Technologies' BLDC motors are compact, long-lasting, and require less maintenance. Since 2003, Vee Technologies' Special Power Electronics and Electric Drives division has delivered space-grade BLDC, permanent magnet, and hybrid stepper motors. Their motors provide maximum rotational force with precision control, extending battery life and reducing heat generation. With sensorless speed control, smart sensing and feedback, versatile voltage operation, and a comprehensive protection suite, their motors ensure reliability and safety. Designed for aerospace, defense space, automotive, and many mission-critical applications, from UAVs and HVAC systems to artillery, propulsion, and precision control. Vee Technologies, powering advanced engineering solutions. Visit us at www.veetechnologies.com.